When those laws are ignored to pursue political targets, courts have an obligation to intervene. And this time, they did. There's also a political backdrop the judge could not ignore. President Trump publicly pressured Siebert, praised Halligan, and demanded prosecutions of Comey and Letitia James. Halligan was appointed shortly after those public demands, and she brought both cases to grand juries almost immediately. The judge did not rule on motive, but the timing seems to speak for itself. Now, the ruling itself is sweeping. Judge Cameron McGowan Curry found that Halligan's appointment violated the statute and the Constitution's appointment clause. Because she lacked authority, both indictments were dismissed without prejudice. Without prejudice means that in theory, the government could theoretically refile and represent the cases to grand juries, but only with a properly appointed, legally authorized prosecutor, and only if they still fall within the statute of limitations. But the political stakes here are enormous. These were high-profile cases championed by the president himself, and they are not going to disappear quietly. The administration will certainly appeal and try to resurrect these prosecutions, but this story is crucial because it is about process. It is about whether the executive branch is bound by the same laws it uses against everyone else. And so when those laws are ignored to pursue political targets, courts have an obligation to intervene. And this time, they did. Make sure you're following for more because I'll be tracking this, and thanks for being here.